All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at Kaspa here. So everybody is wondering right now, I would imagine, where is the top? When is Kaspa going to pull back? And we're going to look into that real quick here. So looking here first on the 15-minute chart, you can see that we are starting to make the lower lows and lower highs here. Recently here, it looks like it's trying to make some higher highs and higher lows. So what I would say here is if you take out this low here at about 8.6, you're probably topping out. That's going to be an indication. That's going to break this very short term here bullish market structure that it is trying to form in this bearish market structure here, if that makes any sense. So it's trying to stay alive here, but if you fall below 8.6, and we're going to look here in a minute on the daily chart, this red line here is our 236 at 8.3. 8.3 is going to tell you if the top is in or not, in my opinion. So we are going to go over here to the daily chart. We're going to reset this, and you can see that from the low back here to the high off of this nice move. We have already tagged the 236 here at 8.3. So if you fall below 8.3, it looks like the top is probably in here. So that's what I would watch here on Kaspa. Of course, you could still be bullish here as long as you stay above 8.3. And Kaspa could still, from where you are now, continue going. It could drop back down, hold that 8.3 and continue going. And of course, we all know from the low to the high, you could still hold that 382 rather, and still be bullish here and do something like that. So that is all a possibility, unless Kaspa, wants to start after this top here. It wants to start doing something like this, where it's going to go sideways for a good while and just kind of bounce around before it decides to make a new high at some point, either this year or next year. But yeah, either of those are a possibility on Kaspa, but for now, we're looking for this top here, which this kind of looks like it, and on the 15-minute chart. So if you start falling below 8.5, that's probably indicating your top is in, and definitely if you lose 8.3, I would probably end up saying your top is in here, and then I'd watch the 7.3 here for a potential bounce or sideways. So that's what we got for Kaspa. You can see the momentum is starting to shift down on the stock RSI. Heikin-Ashi candles here are still green, so it is still trending up, but we do have a shadow. So it's all going to depend on if this one here that is spawned in is going to roll over to red here on the day. So we'll kind of watch that. But other than that, just kind of watch those prices there, and we're going to see if the top is in for Kaspa. And hopefully you guys locked in some kind of profit. I know everybody wants to hodl to the moon, but sometimes you got to take some kind of profit. That is not financial advice. But yeah, we'll leave it at that. Kaspa to the moon, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and peace out.